Once again, welcome to e-learning online course on designing e-resources. Managing exercises created using hot potatoes. The exercises created by you using hot potatoes can be shared with the students. So in this video, you will learn how to share the exercises created using hot potatoes with students. For that, you have to put all such hot potatoes files in one folder, as we have already done. So let's go to Drive D, Class 10 Science, Quiz and Assignments. We have already put the hot potatoes file in this folder. Now here you see that there are two types of files in this folder. One with the HTML extension and the other type of files are having various kinds of extensions like .jms, .jqz, .jmx. And if we look for the icons, HTML files are having the icon of a Google Chrome. Suppose if you are using some other web browser which is not Google Chrome, so here the icon of that web browser will be displayed for your HTML files. And if we look for the icons of these files, these are having icon of hot potatoes. Remember, the files which are having icon of hot potatoes need not be shared with the students. Only HTML files with the icon of web browser to be shared with the students. Why? Because these HTML files can even work in the absence of internet. Let's see. This is the internet connection in my computer. I'll disconnect it. It has been disconnected now. You can see not connected. Now my laptop is offline. I'll open one of the HTML file and let's see whether it works or not. So the HTML file has opened even in the absence of net connectivity. So I am working offline. Even the students can work offline. So you see, HTML files can work even in the absence of network. So you are to share these HTML files with the students so that they can download it and practice exercising. There are two ways to manage hot potatoes exercises. One is the masher, as we have discussed earlier. The masher will give you a single unit of all the exercises that can be shared with the students. But if you wish to give exercises in chunks one after the other, you can send the HTML files as an attachment through the WhatsApp group or email IDs. There is another way. You can create a folder with all the exercises on hot potatoes and upload the files in Google Drive. Now which files to be uploaded in Google Drive? Those files which are having HTML extension. So files having hot potato symbol should not be shared with the students. So what you are to do is you are to upload the folder with HTML files in the Google Drive and share the link of the Google Drive with the students. The students can open the link, download the files and start practicing the exercises.